Birds are intelligent beings that navigate thousands of miles twice a year. Which makes it no surprise that after dogs and cats they are the most preferred choice for adopting as pets. Easy to care for and requiring minimal grooming also makes them excellent option. While adopting birds is a great decision to bring happiness in your life. Some people push to the very best and chose some of the rarest and most expensive bird pets for adopting. Majority of these birds are endangered from the illegal pet trade and be adopted only with local law compliance. Let's see the 10 most expensive birds adopted. At number 10 we have Northern Cardinal. Its origin is Native American with a lifespan of up to 15 years. It has been believed by Native Americans that they are responsible for carrying messages to our ancestors on the other side. It's priced at $800. At number 9 we have Mountain Bluebird. Its origin American with a lifespan of 10 years. They are excellent foragers in the air, and can drop onto their prey and catch insects. It's priced at $850. At number 8 we have Northern Oriole. Its origin American with a lifespan of 14 years. They make surprisingly long international trips and are a summer visitor to North India. It's priced at $850 plus. At number 7 we have Scarlet Owl. Its origin America with a lifespan of 12 years. They are red birds known for their stunningly red feathers. Construct homes on branches as high as 75 feet. It's priced at $900. At number 6, we have Flamingo. Its origin America with a lifespan of 60 years. Flamingo can fly up to 35 miles per hour and are very good swimmers. It's priced at $1,000. At number 5, we have African Grey Parrots. Its origin South Africa with a lifespan of 40 to 60 years. They are considered to be one of the most accomplished mimics. When raised by humans, show an amazing ability to mimic people. It's priced at $1,500. At number 4, we have Toucan. Its origin Mexico with a lifespan 20 years. In India you can see them at Mysore Zoo. At 8 inches they have the longest bill of any bird in the world in relation to their body size. Despite its size, the toucan's bill is very light. It's priced at around $8,000. At number 3, we have Palm Cockatoo. Its origin New Guinea with a lifespan that can go up to 60 to 90 years. The palm cockatoo can reveal or hide the cheek patch by changing the position of their facial feathers. They can change cheek patch's color, depending on their stress level. When highly stressed the patch will change to a pink, beige, and when excited to yellow. It's priced at $16,000. At number 2, we have hyacinth macaws. Its origin Central South America with a lifespan of up to 50 years. They can crack a coconut with their beak, so they aren't the safest companions to have. Its price starts from $7,000 and goes to as high as $40,000. Before we move to number 1, we have 2 bonus mentions here. Peacocks and ayam cemani chicken. Both can go up to $2,500 in some places of the world. They didn't make to the list as they are not pet birds in traditional sense. At number 1, we have racing pigeons. Pigeons are the most common birds, but the pigeon racing originated in modern Belgium. They'll have a lifespan of up to 15 years. Competing pigeons are specially trained and conditioned for races that vary in distance from approximately 100 kilometers to 1,000 kilometers. Despite these lengths, races can be won and lost by seconds. Although it was dangerous for pigeons, so it is banned now in most countries. A racing pigeon named Armando was sold at a whopping price of $1.4 million. Thank you for watching. We are building a forum for pet lovers community. Please check out the links in description.